Good evening. I'm so sorry. Thank God at last I got my network. Yes, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Did you go through all the theory part that we had done with? Thank you so much, Ayush, for understanding because it's beyond my control. Yes. Did you all go through the theory part of sets and did you understand all the parts? All the theories? Yes, good. Now we'll just write down the formulae that we normally use. Cardinal number. So, addition theorem तुम लोगों ने probability में तो किया ही होगा. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is one. Obviously, if A and B are disjoint sets, then intersection is going to be 0. So it will be simply N of A plus N of B. Then if you have got 3 sets, then N of A union B union C hai. So it is N of A plus N of B plus N of C. सारे plus वाले हम लोग पहले लिख रहे हैं. Plus N of A intersection B intersection C. एक सिंगल वाले एंड ऑल 3 वाले प्लस दो वाले माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी माइनस एन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन सी. Okay, for this year they have removed this n of a minus b. a minus b का दूसरा नाम क्या है बोलो? ए में है एंड बी में नहीं है, सो बी डैश में है. करेक्ट, इट इज वन एंड द सेम. सो इट इज द पार्ट विच इज देयर इन ए बट नॉट इन बी. तो जो पार्ट बी का है वो निकाल दो. इट इज लाइक इफ यस could join a bit late, much is done. I didn't get you what you're saying. No. I was trying, there was no network. Since 4:10 I was trying. I just joined, I just started. Yes, just started, don't worry. I was so helpless, I was trying and I was not able to get it. Finally, God was kind. See, this is A and this part of A is in B. So this is your A intersection B. So अगर ये part remove करोगे, so ये जो part रहेगा, ये this is removed. A intersection B is removed from entire A. So this part is there in A and not in B. All right. See, if you understand Venn diagram, you don't have to learn this formula by heart only. Similarly, what will be n of b minus a? b minus a को हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? b में है and a में नहीं है, मतलब a dash में है. तो b में से a intersection b का पार्ट निकाल दो. करेक्ट? सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस का याद है? इट इज ये दोनों का एडिशन. इन शॉर्ट ये दोनों का एडिशन. क्यों? इट इज ओनली ए और ओनली बी. इसका मतलब क्या है? ओनली इन ए और ओनली इन बी. मतलब ये ओनली ए का है. 3 + 4 फॉर्मूला ऐड कर लो तो ये आएगा n of A plus n of B minus twice n of A intersection B. All right. I scroll up, I scroll down. Are you writing this formula? N of A union B is N of A plus, this is addition theorem, what we call. N of A union B union C is, yeah, please write. थोड़ा zoom in कर दे. That is called symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. इसका मतलब है only in one of them. A में है, B में नहीं है, और B, yes. This diagram you want. This diagram, Shreya. What I was saying, बाहर का भी मैं निकाल नहीं रही हूँ, जो रहता है बाहर रेक्टेंगल. सॉरी, this. ये पूरा A है, पूरा सर्कल. ये पूरा सर्कल B है. ये है A and B. So this part of A is not in a part. It is not a part of B. So ये है A minus B or A intersection B dash. Similarly, this part of B is not in A, or it is written as B intersection A dash. Correct? So ये है only in A or only in B. ट्राइंगल बोला ना मैंने लास्ट टाइम एक्सप्लेन किया था. सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस. I'll show you. 1 2 3 4 5 हो गया लिख के सबका. Then I'll explain you the triangle. It is symmetric difference of A and B. All of you have copied 1 2 3 4 5, please. अगर मैं अभी ये ले लूं, एंड ये ले लूं, this part is A minus B, is this. This part is B minus A. इसमें दोनों का पार्ट इंटरसेक्शन वाला मैंने रिमूव किया है. You understand? This part is not there, A intersection B wala. This is A, it is a symmetric difference of A and B. Matlab it is union of A minus B and B minus A. Is that clear? Connect your charger, bhai. It is already connected, beta. You are not able to see clearly. I have a network issue today. I agree. Clear hai? Okay. Okay. Anybody writing 1 2 3 4 5? Tell me. Is this part done? Are you clear about this difference also, symmetric difference? All right. Now, as symmetric difference chahiye to him, yes, I can. See, why we subtract twice? I am adding this beta, add this and this. Tuhin, tell me what is this? Is it not a part only in A? Correct? तो A में भी A intersection B है and B में भी A intersection B है. So मुझे A intersection B चाहिए ही नहीं. तो exclusively A का part, it is this part. See, I'll show you different diagrams. See, ये है मेरा A. हाँ, ये मेरा A है. तो इसके अगर मैं दो टुकड़े करूँ तो मुझे ये पार्ट चाहिए. So what is ये पार्ट बोलो? Is it not n of A minus n of A intersection B? Correct? Yes, Tuhin? अगर ये मेरा B है, so this is my A, right? And this part of B, which is not in intersection. So is it not n of B minus n of A intersection B? तो मुझे इसका ये दोनों का यूनियन लेना है. So it is ये भी चले या ये भी चले. So addition of the two. So this plus this. So it is n of A plus n of B minus twice of n A intersection B. See if it is clear. Okay, great. See, I subtracted once in the first formula when it is A union B. Correct? But जब भी I am taking symmetric difference of A and B, I am taking exclusively A या exclusively B, right? Correct? No, it is not formula based. We'll solve the sums now, Ashwath. In fact, if you Venn diagram is a heart of set theory, and if you understand Venn diagram now, you will find probability chapter also very simple. अभी इंटरवल्स तो तुम लोगों ने जो आईसीएसई के बच्चे हैं उनको तो शायद से पता है. If I want to write A less than X is less than B, means on a number line, extremity A is not included. Extremity B is also not included. It is every real number between A and B, excluding both. So when we don't take the extremities, we write circular bracket, and this is called open interval. Correct? This is the first type of interval. Second, closed interval. I write in a rectangular bracket, means X lies between A and B, including both. Extremities are included. This is your A, this is your B. Right? Closed interval. And the third is, we can call it as semi-open or semi-closed. मतलब एक side बंद, एक side closed. Suppose if I want to write like this, मतलब A is not included because यहाँ circular है, but यहाँ rectangular. So if I want to draw a number line, A will not come, but B will come. And every real number between A up to B will be this element of the set. Yes. Yes, Rudra. Are you clear about intervals? And fourth point, what I want to tell you is, जब भी minus infinity होगा या plus infinity होगा, you are always going to keep it open only, because I cannot plot, you cannot plot, nobody in this entire universe can plot exactly where is infinity. So अगर मुझे minus infinity से 2 तक लिखना है ऐसे, how will I write this? Tell me. Yeah, we can never reach there. ये कैसे लिख सकते हो? ये minus infinity से 2 तक, but 2 is included, so x is less than or equal to 2 and x belongs to R. समझ रहा है ये? It is every real number which is either 2 or less than 2, right? This is what I want to tell you about intervals. Then somebody had asked me about superset. Bacha and Ma, if A is a subset of B, then B is a superset of A. उल्टा लिखते हैं ऐसा सीखते हैं. Superset of A. If A is a subset of B, then B is a superset of A. I think for this year it has been removed, looks like. But it's always good to know. Five is what? I didn't understand. Yeah. Thank you. No, actually superset is a next point only. ये intervals का था. खत्म हो गया. This is a next point only. हाँ, thank you, अश्वत. ये 4 जो मैंने लिखे ना, वो intervals के थे. See, मेरा point number 1 क्या था? I will just scroll everything and show you. This was my point number 1 in which we wrote the formula. Okay. Point number 2 was intervals. Point number 3 is your superset. See, C है proper subset. So C के नीचे line का मतलब है, it is a general word, it is a subset. So it can be proper or improper. Did you understand, Roshni? Superset. Okay. I'll give you an example. If A is 1, 2, B is 1, 2, 3. Now, is A subset of B? Bolo? Yes. If A is a subset of B, proper, yes. But proper nahi hoga, then B is a superset of A. Yes. In this case, I will write A is a proper subset of A. Is that clear? And I think somebody had asked one more point. I think that was, I think power set somebody had asked, na? Because I don't want to leave anything before because we'll be, I think I'll be able to complete sets today. Sums we have to do, of course. Power set. It is a set which contains all the subsets, I would say, all the subsets of that set. I explain this with the example. Now, suppose if I have A as 1, 2, 3. So, cardinal number of A is 3. Means if number of elements in A are Number of elements in A are 3. So number of subsets will be 2 raised to n. Yeah, n is 3. Matlab 2 raised to 3, I will have 8 subsets. So ये जो 8 subset का एक set बनेगा, that is called the power set. I will write that, huh? You will understand. So power set is represented as P. Superset is used in place of vice versa, but aren't same. Yes. अभी power set में देखो, every set has 2 subsets. एक तो पक्का empty set है and दूसरा है improper subset which is a set itself. ये दो तो हो गए, correct? I have to write 8 subsets. So only 1, only 2, only 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. गिनो अभी हो गए क्या 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, different combinations. मतलब एक सेट के जितने भी सबसेट्स है, वो सारे सबसेट्स का आप अगर एक सेट बनाते हो, तो दैट सेट इज कॉल्ड अ पावर सेट. ऑलराइट. एंड कोई भी सेट के ये दो तो रहते ही है, एक है नल सेट एंड दूसरा है अ सेट इटसेल्फ. ऑलराइट. Yes, phi is a subset of all sets. You're right. Anybody wants to write this? Yes, different combinations. Oh, you want to write from intervals? Yes, you can. We can't say that individual of these sets belong to the power set. A set cannot belong to another set. Yes. So you are making the set of all sets. I am not saying, see, you understand the difference. Say, everybody finished copying intervals? Mangi ma'am, my request, if you can put this recording. You want me to take a lecture on whiteboard again? Okay. ये देखो, व्हाइट बोर्ड पे ब्लर ब्लर करते हैं ना तुम लोग, इसलिए मैं टैब पे ले रही हूँ. आई तो लाइक व्हाइट बोर्ड. Who's saying that? Like ginger in tea. Wow, 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 wow. Very good. Yes, Ayush. I to love taking. I'm more comfortable. Next lecture I will take on whiteboard. Okay. Oh, okay. See, अभी अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे, ये एलिमेंट नहीं है. It is a collection of all sets. Tell me when you finish writing. Done. I understand. Tab is better for theory and sums like whiteboard. If we keep last lectures on problem solving, I will. Yes, my promise. Next lecture, I will take on whiteboard. See, this is just called a power set. It is just the collection of all subsets. ये सारे सेट्स ही हैं ये. Okay. P को पावर सेट क्या होगा? ये सेट का. How many elements will it have? 1, 8 elements are there. So this will have 2 raised to 8 subsets. 2 raised to 8 subsets. Only first, only second, only third, only fourth, like that. 2 raised to 8 जानते हो कितना है? Those many subsets you will have to write. Check. Ayush, check your answer. It is why it is called a power set, because last line. Yes, 256 element. No, somebody asked me the question कि इसके subsets कितने होंगे? Power set के subsets कितने होंगे? Power set में sets कितने हैं? Elements कितने हैं? 8. So if there are n elements, 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 8, that is 256 you can write. But power set के sets कोई subsets नहीं लिखता है कोई. Power set, it is just the collection of subsets. That's it. It is just called a power set. Nothing more than that. Understood? It is just the collection of all subsets of the given set. Your main set is A. So ये A के जितने भी subsets है उसका एक collection है, एक डब्बे में रखो. That is a power set. It is just named. Yes, Tuhin, bolo. Which 3 elements? That is what I'm saying. It is just the concept. It is just called power set. Tuhin, it is just called power set. Understood? Okay, it is just called power set. It is a collection of all subsets. That's it. Nothing more than that. All right. Now, we can start doing sums. Yeah, correct. Yes. Just examples I give. Just to make you understand power set क्या है. अभी हम लोग sums करेंगे. I will give you the sets in set builder method, roster method. You can write them in set builder method. Easy है. हर एक का आंसर अलग हो सकता है. Set builder method में, yeah. Seven to 8, no? It is just the concept, Rutuja. You can write this set in very different methods. You can describe it is an integer whose square is not positive, or if you want to make it short and sweet, you can write, let the set A contain all x which are integers between -1 and 1. Okay. ये कैसे लिखोगे? No, you have to describe. Whole number less than 1. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely correct. कुछ भी, I told you your answers can be different because everybody, मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाया तो हर एक का अपना अपना तरीका है वो डिस्क्राइब करने का. But finally when you describe, you should be able to visualize the same picture. That is it. All are writing the right answers. They are in different form. Absolutely correct. अभी ये क्या है बोलो? Suppose if I call this as set B, it contains, ऊपर में सब natural numbers है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. नीचे square or square of the same natural number plus 1 है. It is some formula. 2 is 1 square plus 1, 5 is, see, 2 is 1 square plus 1. 5 is 2 square plus 1. 10 is 3 square plus 1. 17 is 4 square plus 1. 26 is 5 square plus 1. Are you getting what I'm writing? So set builder mein I can write in different form. N will, and यहाँ भी जगह नहीं मुझे. I will write n, मैंने n is less than 6 लिखो, n is less than or equal to 5 लिखो, कुछ भी. First 5 natural numbers अगर substitute करते हो x में, तो whatever is the set which is given in the roster method that you get. So if somebody gives you sums in roster method, you should be able to convert in set builder and vice versa. Correct? Have you done these sums P by Q? Huh? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. But you have to stop at 5. So what answer you have written, na, Shreya, is incomplete. Q is P square plus 1 बराबर है. But P is less than or equal to 5 चाहिए बेटा. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Shreya, do you get that what I'm saying? Okay. What do I write? Oh, ऐसे लिखना है मुझे. P is a natural number. Q is P square plus 1 and P है less than or equal to 5. ये कॉमा आएगा इसमें, कॉमा इसके बाद this all will. सेट को जो भी नाम दो. Q का तुमने तो फॉर्मूला ही लिखा है. See, P is a natural number less than or equal to 5 means you have already given the values of P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. वो Q में substitute करोगे तो denominators automatically बनेंगे. So nothing to write for Q. X by X, what is that? नक्षत्र बोलो. I wrote everything here, beta. What you wanted? P के values है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसमें और इसमें वो आ गया. एंड Q के वैल्यूज है यहाँ 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 करो, 3 करो, 4 करो, 5 करो. So जो आएंगे, when you substitute those values here, you will be getting values of X, which are the elements of the set. All of you are getting? Rutuja, are you still confused about P by Q? Oh, okay. I'll give you a second example. I want you to try on your own now. Come on. X. X is a letter from the word movement. ये दिया हुआ है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में. You have to get this in raster form. Raster method. M आएगा, O आएगा, V आएगा, E आएगा, M फिर से नहीं आएगा, E फिर से नहीं आएगा, N आएगा ना T आएगा. वेरी गुड यश. Again, I'm giving you set and set builder. Lohit, you will have to write in the set form. Huh? Will you try? Take 2 minutes, try both. हो गया? Super. Somebody got one. One कैसे आया? इसका आंसर क्या आया? -5/2. See, you know, the best thing to do is to draw the number line. What is 5/2? 2.5. तो ये है -2 and ये है -3. उसके बीच में है that -5/2 और -2.5. Correct? And 7/4 क्या है? One integer 3/4, right? So -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 के बीच में ये है 1 3/4. Correct? So ये this is -5/2 and ये 1 3/4. इन दोनों के बीच में कौन कौन से है बोलो? -2, -1, 0 and 1. Perfect. I think everybody has got this answer right. And just check for C. Somebody got 1. I don't know how. You can write, Rutuja. I'll show you. X is 2n plus 1 and n is a natural number. मतलब n क्या क्या हो सकता है? N can be 1, n can be 2, n can be 3 and so on. So substitute here 2 into 1 plus 1, that gives you 3. 2 into 2 plus 1, that gives you 5 and so on. Correct? So ये क्या आएगा? It will not start with 1, it will start with 3. 3, 5, 7, 9, dot, dot, dot. ये infinite set होगा. Correct? Very good. Now I'll give you the next, you try. Come on. You have to solve these quadratic equations and write all the sets. You want to try or should I start solving? Both right, na? Very good. You people are so smart. Okay, you will try. I understand. You want me to solve one? एक दिखाती हो तुम लोगों को बिकॉज ये खुद करोगे फिर इसे नहीं आएगा. ट्राई करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. See, this is the set builder form. इसका meaning समझ लो. The values of x which satisfy this condition are elements of set A. So ये factorize कर लो. So 6 and -15 -90. So plus 10x and minus 9x minus 15 is 0. So I'm not writing therefore sign and all now. Chalega. So x के values के आगे -5/3 and 3/2. Everybody got this? So your set A in set builder method is this. अभी B करो and C करो. Come on. Question B you want? Oh, yeah. Ellen. Null set आ गया क्या? Intersection will be a null set. Perfect. तुम लोग इतना स्मार्ट है, वेरी गुड. बी के क्या है? बी 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 क्या है? 2x minus 5x minus 3. I can do orally. 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 minus half and 3 आ गया. b minus half comma 3. Anybody wants to see c? minus 6 है तो minus 3x and plus 2 2x. So minus 1 and 3 by 2. First you check all your this ABC are right. ABC are right. Very good. Yeah, I like it. minus 1 and 3 by 2. So intersect union भी आया होगा. minus 5 by 3 है, minus 1 है, minus half है, 3 by 2 है and 3 है. Correct? And तीनों में कुछ भी common नहीं है. I will repeat. Yes, Shreya. See, A, B and C are given. Very good. Himanshu, very good. A, B, C are given. 3 by 2 is repeating. Yes, but in all three, it is not there, na beta? It has to be there in all three. It is intersection of A and B and C. अभी ना मैं तुम लोगों को एक मस्त चीज दिखाती हूँ. 3 by 2 is repeating. Tuhin, you are saying, but it is not repeating in all three. ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया मैंने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन ए. I got two values of x which are elements of A. Similarly, ये B का quadratic equation मैंने solve किया ये वाला. ये देखो ये. Factors दिखाऊं या सबको आता है factors? Tuhin, you got 3 by 2 in all three, beta. Tuhin, tell me. Check your ABC. No, na, हाँ. So A intersection B intersection C का मतलब है. Oh, no problem, beta. You are clear about it, na? Great. Now there are many types of Venn diagrams. You know, तुम लोगों का problem तो एकदम easy है. Basic ही समझना चाहिए. अगर you want me to explain Venn diagrams, बहुत interesting है ये. Problems कुछ भी नहीं है इसके सामने. Problems कोई भी problem you can fit in that. अभी दो वाला तो सबको ही आता है. ये A है, ये B है. This part there in A and not in B. That is A intersection B dash. ये दोनों में common है A and B. This is there in B and not in A. Yes, I can show you the question better. You want me to show the factors? -6 and +1 लेना. Because -5 has to be the sum, ना? ऐसे करो ना. ऐसे. Just check your answer. 2x common, x minus 3. +1 common, x minus 3. So x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is 0. -2 कहाँ से आया? Got it, ना? ये सारा मैंने तुम लोगों को लास्ट टाइम दिखाया था. This part is A union B. Correct? ये सारा. Now, sorry, yeah. ये outside वाला जो part है ना, ये सारा outside वाला ये. What is this part? Tell me. This outside वाला part is A union B का dash. Yes. A union B का dash. Complement of A union B. A union B तो अंदर बैठा है. Correct? And remember that A union B का dash is A dash intersection B dash, and A intersection B का dash is A dash union B dash. Correct? Or is plus and is into. Remember that. So you understood A union B का dash क्या है? A union B अगर universal set से निकाल दो, so जो बाहर का part रहेगा, that is A union B का dash. So normally, you know, we come across this Venn diagram set. So ये दो वाली है, with two sets A and B. Are you drawing this? ये भी लिख लो, ये भी बहुत important है. ये. So obviously number also cardinal number. Number of elements in this set is n of A dash intersection B dash. इसको n लगाओ. Have you studied relations in detail, symmetric, reflexive, Cartesian product? No? Okay. You have done this topic for JEE or CET? No. Okay. No problems. Then you'll find it very easy. I'll show you the just Venn diagrams abhi. Tell me when you finish copying. Rutuja, what are you finding fast, beta? Tell me. Copying part, sets. Because it's new. You know what you do, na beta? Once the lecture is over, na, you go through the entire thing. It's there on YouTube. You said, na, the lecture. You can go through the lecture once again. You write down all the theory because there's too much of theory. There are too many new terminologies, na. And you know, the best thing to learn is you teach somebody that somebody may not understand, but you will become absolute a master. I always did it right from my childhood. I always taught. Do it, huh? It really works wonders. And once you teach, na, actually, if you're not understood any particular thing, na, you will get stuck there while explaining. So you understand. And the person learns the best while he is teaching. Please do that. And still, if you find anything that you have not understood, you can ask me anytime. No problem. See, we also have a time constraint. Thoda, matlab, I can go a little slow, but see, you people are also like you have to do so many chapters. Correct? If you don't understand, I can explain 10 times, and don't worry about it. Okay. Thank you, Shreya. Rutuja, if any problem, you can tell me, huh? Oh, thanks. Now I will be going to second type of Venn diagram. See, now you understand what I'm drawing. अगर तीन है, हाँ तीन. I still want bigger one. Tab. ये है A. Please excuse me for this. ये है B. ये है C. Sorry. ये है C. Okay. So what is this part? एक बार Venn diagram समझा ना. Yes, absolutely correct. See, एक बार Venn diagram समझा कि you will be able to put any problem in this Venn diagram. You have to just fit what type of diagram you have to understand. ये क्या है? तीनों में common है ये part. So don't you think this part is A intersection B intersection C? It is in the circle of A also, B also, and C also. Correct? एक एक पार्ट करते हैं हम लोग. ये पार्ट क्या है बोलो? ये पार्ट क्या है? एक मिनट. डॉट 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 करती हो, नहीं तो तुम लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होगा. ये क्या है? It is there in A, there in B, but not in C. अगर मुझे कोई A intersection B आंसर दे रहा है तो that is a wrong answer. A intersection B दिखाऊं? ये है A intersection B. इसका A intersection B का ये पार्ट है जो C में नहीं है, and A intersection B का ये पार्ट है जो C में है. Are you getting what I'm saying? Huh? So A intersection B के दो बार. एक बार मैंने ये दिखा because you know word problem they ask such questions. It is there in first, there in second, but not in third. Venn diagram समझा तो खत्म. This part is there in all the three. Huh? A intersection B intersection C. ये A intersection B पूछेंगे तो ये पूरा entire thing. Correct? Now ये क्या है बोलो? This part. A में है, C में है, but B में नहीं. Sorry, एक मिनट ये कट करने दो. A में है, C में है, but B में नहीं है. Because तुम लोग अगर ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो ये मेरा पूरा ऐसा मोटा वाला है वो that is A intersection से. उसमें से ये जो पार्ट है ये B में भी है. A intersection B intersection C and ये पार्ट है. There in A you can write A and B minus C. चलिए. No, order doesn't matter, but that we saw an associative property last time. Okay. Abhi I will. Abhi can I show you this part? ये देखो ये वाला I am drawing somewhere. यहाँ पे तो. It is common to which two बोलो ये? B and C एकदम बराबर. So ये तुम्हारा B intersection C है. But इसका जो ये part है, this part, ये, it is there in A also. So this is A intersection B intersection C, and this part is B में है, C में है, but A में नहीं है. समझा? Yes, what you're saying, Shreya? Can we write A and B minus C? Second wala. A, मतलब you mean this? ये वाला. ये वाला बोल रही हो आप? Before that. Are you talking about this? Yes, you can. Yes, sure. Abhi, what is this part? Tell me. Yeah. This is only in A1. मतलब A में है, B में नहीं है, C में नहीं है. मतलब अपने language में कैसे लिखना? It is there in A and not in B and not in C. Understood? ये क्या है? Only in C. मतलब it is there in C and not in A and not in B. कोई भी order में लिखो. And what is this part? ये only in B. You're there in B and not in A and not in C. Share screen is lagging. It's showing perfect network abhi to. When you get to see this on YouTube, is it seen clearly? Oh, everybody is saying it's lagging. Oh, lagging, not lagging. No, just answer me this. When you see this on the YouTube, my lecture, it is seen clearly or it gives problems? It's lagging for some. Oh, on YouTube it's perfect. Okay, thank you so much. So, आज ही देख लो एक बार lecture, हाँ? Great. So, ये समझा तीनों में है, दो में है, अभी एक में है. अभी A, B and C ये सब साथ में लिया, ये सारा साथ में लिया. So don't you think this is A union B union C? A में है और B में है और C में है. और कोई दो में है, कोई तीनों में है या कोई एक में है. This is A union B union C, correct? और ये जो बाहर का है, this is the complement of A union B union C cut dash. See. All of you are clear? I'll just take 2 minutes and finish one more diagram. Very clear. Thank you so much. Anybody wants to copy this? You can take screenshot also. Huh? Done drawing. Okay. Anybody taking screenshot? You have a lecture after this, yeah? Oh, then I'll explain you the next diagram next time because I don't want to do it in a hurry. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much then. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. I will stop because even I'm getting a lot of network issues. Bye. Have a nice day.